Have you ever thought that if a single tweet could kill someone? Though it sounds like straight out of a sci-fi fiction, what if I told you Black Mirror's chilling episode Hated in the Nation predicted a cybercrime nightmare that's already unfolding in our world? From hacked devices to deadly social media storms, you're about to discover how this dystopian show nailed the terrifying future of cybercrime. Stick around, because this one revelation could change how you see the internet forever. Welcome to the future of crime, and today, we're diving into what Black Mirror got right about cybercrime, and trust me, it's scarier than you think. Make sure you watch till the end, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that red button now. It's free for you, but it fuels our passion to bring you more gripping content on crime and the dark realities of tech. If you haven't seen it, Hated in the Nation is the last episode of Black Mirror's third season, and wow, it's intense. The story follows a detective trying to solve strange deaths, all linked to robotic bees. Yes, bees. These bees get hacked and start killing people whose names are trending with the hashtag number death2. Imagine someone tweets your name with hashtag death2 and suddenly these tiny drones are after you. Now, you might be thinking, which robotic bees? That happens just on TV. But here's the thing. This episode is really about how cybercrime can use our everyday technology against us. After looking at this episode and what's happening in the real world, I found 3 big ways Black Mirror totally predicted the future. Everyday devices can be hacked in the show. The bees were supposed to help pollinate plants, but hackers turned them into weapons. This is just like what's happening today with the Internet of Things. Things like smart fridges, cameras, or even your Wi-Fi router. In 2016, hackers used the Mirai botnet to take over thousands of these devices like baby monitors and webcams, and used them to crash big websites like Twitter and Netflix. Black Mirror saw it coming. With so many smart devices, hackers have more ways than ever to cause chaos. Today, there are over 15 billion IoT devices online, and most have security problems. This isn't just fiction, it's happening now. Social media makes attacks go viral. The number death to hashtag in the episode is a perfect example of how social media can be used to harm. In the show, people don't realize that their tweets are actually sending the bees to kill. In real life, cybercriminals use social media to spread scams and attacks super fast. Remember the 2020 Twitter hack? Hackers took over famous accounts and tricked people into sending them money. Black Mirror showed how platforms like X, Twitter, can be used to spread dangerous campaigns, whether it's scams or online bullying. The lesson: social media's speed and reach make it a powerful tool for cybercriminals, the real people hurt by cybercrime. Here's where the episode gets really real. At the end, it's not just a few people who die. Hacked bees go after everyone who used the number death to hashtag, killing hundreds of thousands. This shows the huge impact cybercrime can have. In 2024, ransomware attacks cost businesses over $1 trillion, but the real pain is worse. Hospitals shut down, families lose money, and some victims even take their own lives because of online threats. Black Mirror reminds us that behind every cyber attack, real people get hurt. What makes Hated in the Nation so powerful is how it connects these things. Weak tech, viral social media, and real pain, all into one big warning. Cybersecurity experts all around the world agree that we're not ready for how fast cybercrime is growing. Black Mirror didn't just predict this. It shouted it from the rooftops. So, what's the big takeaway? Black Mirror's Hated in the Nation isn't just a sci-fi thriller, it's a wake-up call. Our devices, our social media, and our trust in technology are all vulnerabilities that cybercriminals are exploiting right now. But knowledge is power. By understanding how these attacks work through hacked IoT devices, weaponized social media, or devastating human consequences, you're already one step ahead. Let's not live in a Black Mirror episode. Be mindful of the tech you use, question what you see online, and protect yourself in this hyper-connected world. Thanks for watching The Future of Crime, where we dive deep into the dark side of technology. By the way, if you've been enjoying our content, here's a little reminder. Most of you watching haven't subscribed yet. Stay alert, stay informed, and remember, the future of crime is already here.